Hello, I am Rahul Shari. So today's topic is what is promises in JavaScript. A promises is an object to handle the asynchronous operation in JavaScript. That is mainly used for handle the asynchronous operation in JavaScript. It has the three steps like the pending, rejected, and fulfilled. Means it is mainly used for to handle the API calls and handle the timeouts operations. That like it is used for promises in JavaScript because of if promises is true, then it is go to the resolve, means it is success, but it is reject means it is false, then it is goes to the rejects. So that's why you can handle the easily and maintain the program using the promises. So that's why use the asynchronous promises in JavaScript as a handle the synchronous operation in JavaScript.